Good morning, guys, and welcome to another video. Right now it is 4 a.m. and we're heading out to another adventure, and I'm taking you all with me. Now it is currently foggy right now. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we'll find out. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing down below. There's going to be a lot of cool adventures, so I'm going to take you all with me on this one, so let's go. All right, guys, we're here at the hot air balloon. We're catching sunrise. It is quite foggy, so we're gonna wait for it to clear up a little bit, and then we're gonna be up in the sky.
And we got 3 more balloons right down there. Oh, one of them just did a crash landing. Don't worry, that's part of the game.
This is incredible.
Давай, давай, давай,
Once again, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Instagram to see a lot of cool photos that I post. And that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time.